Today I am going to share Tok Jhal Misti Jolpai Achar recipe. Masala preparation: fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon. Black mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon. Coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon. Cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. Black cumin, 1 teaspoon. Stir and mix. Dry chili, 7/8 pieces. Fry 1 to 2 minutes. Done. Let it cool. Grind it. Done. Transfer to the bowl. Frozen olives to kilograms. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a boiling water. Mix. Add olives. Mix. Cover and boil 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, perfectly boiled. Take out the olives. Mash it with potato masher. Done. Mustard oil 1 cup. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 2 tablespoons. Stir and mix. Garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Saute 2 minutes. Add achar masala we made earlier. White vinegar, 1/3 cup. Cook 5 minutes. Add mashed olives. Mix together. Salt to taste. Brown sugar 1 cup. Mix. Cook until color changes. Chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Mix. Done. Let it cool down. Make an olive shape. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.